Are you ready for some groundbreaking news, crypto enthusiasts? The number of ordinal inscriptions on the Bitcoin blockchain has just surpassed 2 million, marking a major milestone achieved in just over 4 months since the first inscription was minted. But what are ordinal inscriptions, you ask? These digital collectibles or NFTs are unique and valuable, with some even establishing floor values and weekly trade volumes. And the trend shows no signs of slowing down, with over 2 million inscriptions discovered and counting. So, join us as we dive deeper into this exciting and innovative trend in the world of blockchain technology. Attention all crypto enthusiasts! Brace yourselves for some exciting news, as the number of ordinal inscriptions on the Bitcoin blockchain has surpassed 2 million as of April 28, 2023. This is a major milestone achieved in just over 4 months since the first ordinal inscription was minted on December 16, 2022, at block height 767,753. What are ordinal inscriptions, you ask? These are essentially digital collectibles or NFTs, non-fungible tokens, that are created on the Bitcoin blockchain. They can be anything from text, images, videos, audio, or even applications, and they are unique in that they cannot be replicated or exchanged for other tokens on a one-to-one basis, making them truly unique and valuable. The trend of ordinal inscriptions on the Bitcoin blockchain has been growing at a rapid pace, with over 2,116,396 inscriptions discovered at the time of writing. The inscription minting fees have amounted to a staggering 196.22 Bitcoin, which is equivalent to $5.78 million, making it clear that this trend is not going away anytime soon. Interestingly, the majority of these inscriptions, 67.6%, are in text form, while 22.6% are images in the form of JPG or PNG files. Additionally, over 13,000 ordinal inscriptions include an application, and over 6,000 image inscriptions are animated. Some of these inscriptions have even gained popularity and established floor values and weekly trade volumes. The popularity of ordinal inscriptions can be seen in the collections that have emerged, each with their own unique features and trade volumes. For instance, according to data from ordinalswallet.com, the highest trade volume this week was observed for Clay Peeps, with 4.57 BTC or $134,082 in 7-day trade volume. This is followed by other collections such as sub 100K, Bitcoin Punks, Pixel Peeps, sub 10K, and BTC Machines. But it's not just Bitcoin that's seeing this trend. Litecoin-based ordinal inscriptions have also seen some activity, with 224,060 inscriptions. However, the trend of LTC-based inscriptions has slowed down in recent times. It's important to note that despite the discovery of a bug that resulted in the orphaning of 1,200 inscriptions from the index, the popularity of ordinal inscriptions continues to grow. In fact, this only goes to show that the community is resilient and willing to work through any issues that may arise. The continued growth in popularity of ordinal inscriptions is a testament to the innovative and exciting potential of blockchain technology. As the world continues to embrace digital currencies and collectibles, it's clear that ordinal inscriptions will be a significant part of this evolving landscape. So, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates.